I enjoy making these short little videos, and it's almost a contest with myself because my favorite video is 10 minutes. I think I can slowly just talk about Live Good and the process and how I recruit, what the products are. And then by 10 minutes, I feel pretty good, like I got something done, and then I just hit stop, upload the video. But some of my videos are just a minute or two because that's all I really need, to be honest, to recruit this company. If you have your link, which when you join Live Good for 40 bucks, 10 bucks a month, okay, that's the deal. You got to be a member at 10 bucks a month. So $9.95 a month plus $40. $49.95, guys, you can join as a member and affiliate. You're going to have your own link to invite people to watch a video and sign up. That's it. I don't have anything else to do. I do 10-minute videos, so I feel important, I think. But so what I did is I went and bought this domain for 11 bucks at GoDaddy, and it forwards to Live Good's capture page where there's a video for 6 minutes. And people, if they're turned off by Live Good, they just delete it and go on their way. If they want to look into Live Good again, they just go back and watch the video. Okay. If they want to go to Live Good and look at the products, they just hit the products tab. Okay, you do that on your own. It has nothing to do with me. If you go to this FAQ section right here, see right there, hit it. 85% of your questions are just answered. Okay, I don't have to do any of that. And then if you want another pay plan, just go to the bottom of your cell phone or your computer screen. It'll say pay plan or affiliate pay plan. Just click it, read how we get paid on the membership side, but go to the bottom. I tell everyone, just go to the bottom and watch this YouTube video. It explains how we get paid. Okay. So when you join Live Good, I mean, just mess around at the website. Check it out. We have live Zoom meetings Monday. We have them Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay. We have support. We have a lot of videos already made you can use. We have graphics or banners that you can just put on, let's say, your social media pages. Okay. I have over 3,800 videos I've made just related to Live Good, just on my own personal YouTube channel. Okay. And that's it. I don't know what else to do. Shipping and handling is handled by the company. Customer support is handled by the company. Post office with tracking is handling all the shipping here in America and outside of America. Currently, it's DHL International. We're getting distribution centers all over the world because we're in over a couple hundred countries right now. So we have to do distribution centers in Africa, probably Nigeria. We got to go over to China, of course, Asian areas, the UK, down under in Australia. But all this stuff, you can just kind of Google search, okay? And I just sit here with my Def Leppard shirt and go, God, well, what do? I just invite people to the link, joincory.com, and everything else is taken care of, okay? So guys, thank you for the last 3 minutes. Honestly, this is all I need to do. And I hope you do the same thing if you join me. Just make it fun and easy and invite people to watch a video. And please don't do anything else. Okay? I'll show you how to email people to invite. I'll show you how I do social media, how to invite people to watch the same video. The email goes to the same video. Guys, in this video, I'm inviting you to click a link to watch the same video that everyone else watches. Okay? And somehow I've signed up almost 400 people. I have no doubt I'm going to sign up 100 or 200 or 300 more people in 2025 as well, okay? Okay, guys, 3 minutes. All right, I wish I had another 6 or 7 minutes to chat with you folks, but there's just nothing left to do, okay? So once again, go to joincory.com. Get a hold of me too, Cory@CoryDraper.com. If I can help you out, I'm your boy, okay? All right, guys, take care, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay,